Patented 360 ThermoIQ Technology, the dual blaze features dual heating elements, and our patented automatic temperature control make real-time temperature adjustments during cooking. Precise temperature control and our smart temperature algorithm ensure evenly cooked food without any shaking or flipping. Superior basket and better taste. Our improved pure aluminum basket stores 3 times the amount of heat and conducts heat more effectively than traditional iron baskets, delivering better tasting food in less time. Customize your cooking. Explore more possibilities by customizing and saving 6+6 cooking functions with your preferred time and temperature. Air fry, bake, broil, roast, keep warm, reheat, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. More space and less stacking. Fit up to 17 chicken wings in the large 6.8-quart basket without having to stack them on top of each other so they cook more evenly. Cook smarter. The free VeSync app lets you control your air fryer remotely, monitor cooking progress, and activate voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless cooking. Mouth-watering recipes. Get inspired with hundreds of creative and easy-to-follow online recipes from our professional COSORI chefs. Whether you're cooking an appetizer, entree, or dessert, we have the perfect recipe for you. Get useful accessories. Search C1586AC to find the original COSORI accessories, and CLRR581 was to get air fryer liners to assist your healthy cooking with infinite opportunities and easiness. Scan to cook. Use the free VeSync app to scan multiple types of frozen foods for easy-to-follow cooking instructions and to view your food's nutrition facts. Dishwasher safe. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is never a worry. Top reviews from the United States. Haven't used my stovetop/stove since I got this. I have finally joined the cult of air fryer users, and I have to say, I like it here. I haven't used my range for literally anything since I've gotten this. I've cooked air-dried soft-boiled eggs, sausages, chicken wings, so many chicken wings, baked salmon and cookies, delicious cookies. I got the Pro in at first. I thought I made a mistake because it was so huge, but even for someone like me who lives alone but likes to entertain small groups of guests, less than 5, it really is everything you need. It also is a major plus that it is just so easy to clean. I'm still learning all the ways to maximize this machine, but so far, so worth it.